Welcome to Dex. Let's walk through the steps to create a new rate plan. First, click on the Merchant Application tab, select Rate Plans, and then click Create New. Remember to name your rate plan. If you don't, it will default to New Rate Plan with the current date and time. The Portfolio and Services section, ensure there is an active sales rep selected. Choose the portfolio ID from the available options tied to the organization. Then, select the necessary services for the merchants, such as eCheck, acquired and gateway cards, and verification services. Once done, save and continue. In the Pricing section, note that this pricing will be visible to the applicant. Also, some fee items are hard-coded and can't be changed. Enter the prices for each selected service. The cost shows the partners by rates, and the estimated profit margin is calculated based on the entered price and the buy rate. For partner build relationships, match the partner buy rates. For merchant build relationships, the partner provides the desired merchant pricing. Next, select the agreement to be included with this rate plan. The default agreement is selected if only one exists. Choose the business category and type, if known. You can skip this section if the information is not available. If you wish, submit the logo of your company with the following dimensions: 250 by 70 and less than 2 megabytes. Review all the entered information for accuracy. Use the pencil icon to edit any mistakes. Finally, click Activate Rate Plan to complete the creation of your rate plan. Creating rate plans is easy and efficient with Dex.